Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome back to day 10 of the 12 days of Blessedmas. Welcome. You all, we have made it to day 10. We have been blessed to make it to day 10. I want to start off by thanking Design with Emma and the Lifestyle Designs with Teresa for joining the 12 days of Blessedmas with me. Those ladies are so gracious, and if you all are not familiar with them, please go over and check out their channels. They do some awesome decorating. They have some beautiful homes, and you can learn a lot from them, and you can get great ideas from them as well too. So go over and check out their channels. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. So if this is your first time here, welcome. We're so happy to have you. And if you're returning, welcome back. Hey, love bugs. And hopefully those of you whom are new, you will go ahead and press that subscribe button. But if you want to watch this video to the end just to see what it's about, to see a little bit of what this channel is about, go ahead, watch it to the end. And I promise you, you're going to want to click on that subscribe button, and we're going to be so grateful to have you with At Home with Lisa. So you guys, today we're going to be showing you how to do an easy and quick coffee table styling. Yes, it's going to be beautiful, and again, it's going to be easy, and it's something that you're going to be able to do. And I pray that once I'm done, you can take something away from this video, maybe to motivate you to style your home in a different way, or, just to give you an idea of how you can style your coffee table, your end table, whatever you have in your home. So without further ado, you guys, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And also, if you can, leave some comments down below and share Blessedmas out. Share our channels out so the YouTube community can see and know what's going on with Blessedmas. All right, you all, let's get into this video. So you all, with all of the Christmas decorating and pulling out all the Christmas decor and all, it has gotten to be a little bit dusty in here. So this table needs a good cleaning. And I'm going to be using the Myers glass cleaner. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this, but it is great. I love it. I have been using it for years. So we're just going to go ahead and clean our table before we start styling it. Before you style your area, you should always make sure that the area is nice and clean. So that's what I am doing here, making it nice and clean and dust-free. I usually use a paper towel, but I don't know why I was prone to use this cloth. But at any rate, it got my table clean and it got it shiny. You all, we have 2 more days and we're going to wrap it up, and we're going to be doing those cash giveaways. I am so excited to be able to be blessed to give back to the community that support us so well. Okay, so my table is all clean, so let's get to the decorating part. I want to start off by using this wooden round tray. And I want to place it kind of directly in the middle of the table. It is so gorgeous, you guys. And this is a decor piece that you can use for many things. You can use it as a charcuterie board. You could use it on your dining table. You can just use it as a serving tray. There are so many ways that you can use that piece. And I love to use pieces that are functionable, that you can kind of use them in more than just one space. So I think it's going to be really, really nice here, because if you can see in the background here, I'm using like the browns, the beiges, the gold and cream color tones here. And this really, really, really bring those colors out that I have in the sofa. But if you can't see at the end, I'm going to show you guys the family room. So I did forget to mention that I am decorating the coffee table in the family room. So that's where we are today, in the family room. So I want to use these styling books here. I have a French home decorating in the French style here. And I also have a curate inspiration for an individual home book as well too. So I'm going to be utilizing both of these to decorate with. And I chose these because the colors on the front of the books are in my color styling that I'm using for this Christmas season. So this is why I chose to use these two books. So it's all about the aesthetics of the colors of the books, the reason why I'm using them. The name doesn't have anything to do with it. It's all about the colors. I'm trying to get them close to the edge, but not to look like it's hanging off. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to come in with this beautiful bell. I think it is so gorgeous with the greenery. And I want to lay it right here. And I want to kind of style it out a little bit, bring the greenery to life. And then let our pine cone, let our pine cone show. I chipped that off a little bit, y'all. Let our pine cone show and the greenery, spruce it up a little bit. Let me take the pieces off that I just broke from the pine cones. So I'm gonna stand back and see how I like that. It looks like it's laying down a little bit too much for me, so. Okay, and I like it that the greenery is kind of leaning onto the book here. In my styling, when I'm doing groupings, I like things to touch. So next, I want to come in with this silver, beautiful candle holder. I love it, I love it, I love it. And I have a gray candle that I'm going to add to it. And I want to just place it right here. And we do have a TV here, and I don't think that this would be in the way of anyone looking at the TV. Now I want to come in with this beautiful round candle. It is a 6-wick candle, and as you can see, it has that silver crackling color throughout. And I think it'll be perfect just to place right here. Absolutely gorgeous for the space. I love it, I love it, I love it. Yeah, I think that's perfect. And with my wicks, I like to go ahead and stand them up. So when I get ready to light it, they're already up. And this one I will burn because it does have a scent to it, but the tall gray one is just here for decor purposes, for the aesthetics of the grouping in the styling of this coffee table. But this one right here, we will definitely probably burn it daily because everybody in this house, we love burning candles. So, but again, this one has a scent to it, so we will be burning this one, but this one is just for looks. So without further ado, you guys, when I come back, I have a couple of things to add to it, but when we come back, it will be for the reveal. Again, thank you all so much for tuning in, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Love bugs, thank you all so much for tuning in to the 12 days of Blessedmas for day 10, our easy coffee table styling. Thank you all so much for trusting the process and trusting me for this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out this reveal. I think it turned out beautifully. All of the pieces that are used here on this coffee table styling correlates with the other decor that is in the family room. So basically, if you're just joining, we cleaned our coffee table. Then we added this wooden round piece. It is absolutely gorgeous. And then we went in with the French Home and the Curate styling books. And like I said before, I only use these books not for the name, but for the color scheme. And I added this beautiful 6-wick candle. And we also added this candle stand, this silver candle stand with the gray candle. And this is just for decor purposes. We will not be lighting that candle. And then we have this beautiful gray bell. Let's see if we can get a better look at the bell. Yes, we have that beautifully decorated bell there. And I did go and add some more florals. I added this gray or silver poinsettia, and then I added some more greenery just to enhance the look, and we added the nutcracker. So everything looks cohesive together and it meshes. So let's see how the coffee table styling works with the family room. So this is how we have the family room decorated so far for Christmas. Some parts of it I can't show you because it is involved in the 12 days of Blessedmas. But we will be doing a full home tour for Christmas. So that is our seating and our pillow arrangements back there. And then I added a basket with some extra blankets. And of course, you see the blankets on the chair styled. And so again, we're using the grays, the golds, the browns, and the off-whites here. And then we have that table there with that arrangement. And we have a silver candle stand there, but we don't have a candle there. And then we have this plush blanket here. Now, I purchased this from the Pottery Barn, and I love it. You can use it as a blanket, or you can use it as a rug. Now, this is a lifetime piece here. I think I paid like $200 for that blanket, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And this basket is beautiful as well too. And everything just is repetition, and it balances. And that's what you want in your decor. You want everything to be able to balance. And I chose to use this pillow here because it has our grays in here, all of our colors that we're using here. If you can see the set here, you see everything balances. So yes, you all, this is our family room, and this is where I did our coffee table styling here. And again, thank you all so much for tuning in. And please, if you missed the premieres of Lifestyle Designs with Teresa or Design with Emma, please go back and check out their videos. They have some great styling over there. And at this time, this is the end of the coffee table styling for day 10. And I will see you all tomorrow on day 11. Don't forget to share and tell someone to come to the premieres so they can be included in the drawing. Y'all don't keep us to yourself. Share us out. Let some other people know about this so they can join in too. We would love to have everyone. And oh, the rug is perfect for the space. The rug, this rug, the print of this rug and this pillow matches perfectly. But anyway, love bugs, I'm going to get out of here, and I hope you all enjoyed this video enough to give it a big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. I will see you all on tomorrow, day 11. Bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home.